How to convert delta to star or delta to star or star to delta? If three resistances RAB, RBC or AC are the three resistances which are connected in delta. These are the three resistance connected in delta because dissimilar ends are joined together. Now unknown resistance star RA, how to calculate? The product of adjacent arms, this is the RAB, RAC. These two arms are adjacent arms for this RA. The product divided by sum of all arms. That is the conversion, how to do convert delta to star. That is, when resistances are in delta, the product of adjacent arms in delta are divided by sum of all arms. Suppose if you want to calculate RB, the adjacent arms are RAB, RBC are the adjacent arms. That is RB equal to RAB, RBC product divided by sum of all arms RAB, RBC plus RCA. Similarly, you can calculate RC. RC equal to adjacent arms are these two product divided by sum of total delta connected arms. How to convert star to delta? How to convert star to delta? Previously we saw that delta to star, now star to delta. Now three resistances are connected in star. Assume that these are the three resistances RA, RB, RC. These are the star connection. RB, RC are the connected in star. Now if you want RAB arm, delta arm, what we have to do? The sum of the two resistances which are connected in star, RA plus RB, the product of that divided by another opposite resistance. Similarly, RBC is the another arm. If you want to calculate, RC and RB are the arms which are connected together for RBC. RBC equal to RB plus RC plus sum of product of that RB RC by RA opposite resistance or another third arm. Similarly, we can calculate RAC RA plus RC equal to RA RC by RB. This is sum of the two resistances, product of the two resistances divided by another opposite resistance. That is the conversion. Numerical problem on equivalent circuit from star to delta or delta to star. Let us go for find the equivalent resistance in star when three resistances 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 30 ohm are connected in delta. How to find the star equivalent resistance? 3 ohms are connected in delta, that is RA, RB, RAB, RBC, RAC, or 20, 30, 20 ohm are connected. Now equivalent resistance in star is RA, RB, RC. That is conversion principle we are using. RA equal to adjacent arms product divided by sum, total sum. This formula we are using. Now if you substitute RAB, RAC product divided by sum, that is 10 into 30 by 10 plus 30 plus 20, that equal to 300 by 60, that equal to 5 ohm. RA is the 5 ohm. This is the 5 ohm. 5 ohm. Similarly, we can calculate RB, RC, that is adjacent arms product divided by total resistance. RB equal to 10 into adjacent arms are RAB, RBC. Adjacent arms you can see RB, it is the RB adjacent arms are RAB, RBC. Product of thus 10 into 20 divided by total resistance is 60, 3.33 ohm. Similarly, we can calculate RC 10 ohm. Now we go for find the equivalent delta resistance. Find the equivalent delta resistance when three resistances 30, 40, 60 are connected in star. If the resistances are connected in star, what is the delta circuit resistance RAB? Three resistances 30, 40 and 60 are connected in star. Now RAB is the delta resistance. How to calculate this? RAB equal to the arms which are connected in star. The sum of the arms RA plus RB are the two resistances, star resistances, and product divided by opposite resistance or third resistance, that equal to 30 plus 40 plus 30 into 60 by 60 equal to 90 ohm. Similarly, if you want this RBC equal to the two resistances RC and RB sum plus product divided by opposite resistance, you can get 180 ohm. RCA, if you want to calculate RCA, these are the two arms which are connected to RCA. Then the sum plus product divided by opposite resistance is RB, that equal to 135 ohm. Like that we have to calculate the delta resistances if you know star. The formula is simple. The adjacent arms, if you want to calculate RAB, the two star resistances which are connected to RAB, sum and product divided by RC. In this way we can calculate star to delta or delta to star.